I've got about 200 grams of that delicious bronze-drawn rigatoni just about to finish cooking back here. That's a generous serving for 2 people. And for the mushroom sauce, it's the easiest thing ever. I'm just gonna take half of this jar of gorgeous mushroom pate, and I'm going to melt that down until it just starts to kind of spread itself in the heat. Once the mushroom pate has warmed through, just add about 4 tablespoons or 60 ml of double cream. Just stir the cream through the sauce. Just going to drain the pasta. And put that straight into the bubbling mushroom sauce. You can see how the rough surface of that rigatoni really makes the sauce cling to it. Keep stirring until every piece of rigatoni is coated in that delicious creamy mushroominess. And that is ready to serve. All you need to do is have a warm pasta bowl. I'm going to finish that with a nice grating of fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and loads of black pepper. And that's it, rigatoni with creamy mushroom sauce.